everyone, it's Gagajoy, and I'm glad you're here today. We're going to have grits and tomatoes. My best friend went out this week and she called me. She said, guess what I had for lunch? And I said, what? She went to a new restaurant. She said, grits and tomatoes. And I'm going, nope, that can't get by me. So I've got about 5 little tomatoes here, and I did dip them in water to get the skins off, of course. And I got a little bit of onion, a little bit of garlic and some thyme. And I've got my pot going with boiling with hot water. It's 4 cups of hot water and 1 cup of grits. That's a big amount of grits though. And we're going to have for my lunch today, I'll be having, and I love grits. There's no way I would not eat grits. Cut that off. Now my water's boiling, and I put 2 tablespoons of butter in it, and it's 1 cup of grits to 4 cups of water. Put that on the back, turn it down to low, let it simmer. We're going to fix our onions and put my onions, garlic in there. My tomatoes are growing like weeds. I've had some tomatoes so far, but I can't wait till they come in. Bit more butter in there, I think. Not at all. And I need salt in my grits, so I'm going to put about a teaspoonful. A little bit into my tomatoes. Just maybe an 1/8. And we'll put an 1/8 of a teaspoonful of sugar. That just goes for the acid in the tomatoes. And it's all for being ready by the same time. If I had my grits fixed, they would then. Right along. When I was looking for this recipe to see if anybody else had it, all I saw was grits with rotel. I have no problem with it because I like rotel, but I think it'd be better with the fresh onions. little bit of thyme, a little fresh thyme. Pretty much. Well, you know, grits get thick real quick, so you have to be careful, but at the same time, don't let your oven be right, because they just burst everywhere sometimes. This one is doing that. And that's because I had it turned up too much. And you've never had a burn until you've had a burn from the hot grits. They're not quite big enough, but I'm going to go ahead and take some up. And no, I'm not going to taste those grits as hot as they are. But I think if I had parsley, my parsley didn't do anything, my herbs didn't. I've got to buy some, reset it. It would be awfully good in here too. That may be my favorite dish. That's out of this world for me. I love tomato. I love everything that's in there. Well, we've had. Now you know you can have grits and tomatoes too. You can either have them this way or put your little rotel in it. I think they're delicious this way because of that fresh tomato. Well, take care of yourself. Have a good weekend. Remember the joy. We'll see you soon. Bye.